What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy Geek. So now let me show you how to turn on the night mode in the browser. If you're using the Huawei browser, for example I'm using the GSM Arena website, maybe I mean go to another website, for example something like Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Let me go to the Amazon. Okay, here we go to the Amazon. Okay, let me go to the home screen, but now I wanna turn on the night mode. Click this three dot. Okay, click the night mode on. So now the night mode on is on in the web browser. It was me, G Magic. Subscribe. Bye.